things I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Camerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily whisper of the day. It's Wednesday, Wacky Wednesday, I think it's going to be March 18th. We got the big FOMC decision. Keep in mind, high IV will, the IV will stay high until the decision. So selling those credit spreads will be best if we wait until after Powell starts speaking. So a friendly reminder. All right, so today we were bullish above 676.50, which I mapped out when we were up here. All right, it looked like a great trade, but now that we've taken the dump and we hit our first target to the downside, we need a new bullish above level. So I like 674. Yeah, if we start to go up again and we break above 674, we do need another bear below because we did go below. I loved this pocket, but now we have all these pivots. So I'm going to go with 668.75. Yeah, the second test of that S1 level would be a good entry for the next trade. Right now we're coming very close to the 4 EMA, so we have support, but here's our next pocket to the downside. All right, let's see. What is the what's the Russell doing? Do we have to remap that out? And by the way, we have been getting some heavy levels on the SPY, 669.02 yesterday. Yeah. And we had that 662.60. So that's really going to be the key level, by the way. Yeah, to watch for the swing. If we close below 662.60, that's going to be very bearish. So watch that level for the swing trade. All right, the IWM bullish above 253, bear below 248.50. We are still good there. And then we've got the Qs bullish above 608.50, bear below 605.50. So that's going to be similar to the SPY where we need new levels. So let's take a quick look, see what we can find. All right, so 606.50. Yeah, we're going to be bullish above 606.50. And same thing, it's very similar to the SPY. 602 could be a pause. 601 really is the big hole. Yeah, that's our next big trade there. If you want to scalp in between, go for it. All right, let's go to the E-mini. It's going to be that kind of a morning where everything just pretty much took a dump, so we need all new levels. Bullish above 68.20. I drew a trend line here on the E-minis. Yeah, we pretty much came right up to it and plopped down again. It's pretty powerful. Bear below 67.82.50. Making me work this morning. Yeah, so we did come down to this person's pivot. And normally we'll take a bounce there. So bear below 67.65. Yeah, it's a little bit tough because we're coming down to the 4 and the 8 EMA, right? Our highest probability trade is going to be below there. Here's that pocket. So yeah, it could get a little bit tough in this area. Let me just look. Maybe below 40. Yeah, 67.40, unfortunately, down there. But a lot of things can happen when the Fed makes a decision later on today. So we'll see. On the NASDAQ futures, bullish above 25,200, bear below 25,050. Next level, looks like we're coming down to support here at 25. So 24,975 or 24,950. Below person's pivot is probably going to be our best bet on the next bear or below level. Still retracing. All right, let's go to oil. I know we have a lot of headlines on that this morning. It's been all over the place. Bullish above 97.50. We have a lot of pivots above us. Yeah, let me just show you what I'm looking at for the oil because I know that's been super hot. Look at these pivots. This is what I had to contend with mapping it out this morning. I was like, oh boy. So I went high. And we can, move around here. But bear below 92.50 was my level. Maybe 93.50. I would change it to 93.50. Yeah, below here. Let's go to gold. That's been moving down. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that hit all of our downward targets already. Gosh, look at that fast move. Why'd I wake up early today? Bullish above 50.20. We have to change everything. Yeah, hold on a minute. Oh, boy. It's good practice. All right. So where's the VWAP? 49.65. So, yeah, 5,000 is a pretty key level. Let's just go back to the pivots. Can we enter there? Yeah, I would be bullish above 5,000 and new bear below. Looks like we hit that 65 EMA. That was my last target. They might try to hammer it, but 48.90 would be my next level to enter. Okay, well, it looks like they want to take it down to 4,800 area. Yeah, that's a pretty big support area, as you can see from back here. So it looks like they're gonna take it down there. Could be a good short trade today. Let's go to Bitcoin. It did not break our creek. Nope, we have not closed strong above this line here. So we are retracing down to the 8 EMA. We'll probably bounce. We were bullish above 75,500, bear below 73,000. So let's see, 72,500 is our next bear below. All right, for Bitcoin futures. Ooh, let's go to some individual stocks. We'll go to Amazon. Bullish above 216.50, bear below 213.75. We're there right now doing the retrace. I would go below the 8 EMA for our next trade, 112.50. Let's go to silver. Bullish above 73.50, bear below 70.75 is triggering right now. 70 is our next level though, bear below 70. I'm looking at that 90 simple moving average. That's why that's my last target. Here's that big pocket. That's our trade. All right, let's go to USO. Market is in free fall right now. Oh, we just had numbers come out, right? We just had data that came out. Yep, PPI. The market is not liking the PPI. 0.7, expecting 0.3. So, yeah, market is, or, you know, who knows? It doesn't really matter. We're just going to trade it level to level. USO bullish above 120. Bear below 116.50. Let's go to BABA. 141.50. Bullish above. Bear below 138.75. Next we got SoFi. Bullish above 18. Bear below 16.75. AAOI. Lorraine Special, you guys. She did really well with the Uber trade. Let's see, bullish above 98, bear below 93, and CPNG. Yeah, this one's had a lot of dark pool activity coming in. Bullish above 21.55, bear below 19.75. There you have it. One more. Thought I was done. PLTR. Bullish above 158. I do like this pocket. You had a really good volume. You know, the market's just having a tough time, but that's a nice pocket right there. Bullish above 158, bear below 153.75, and that is your whispers for today, Wednesday, March 18th. Until next time, come and join us. Check out our interactive trading room. Go to thedarkpools.com. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.